This is an installation package for Debian or Ubuntu Linux. It won't run on Windows. It is effectively a zip file full of Linux program files. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. I'll explain the structure. Consider this your first line of defense. A universal viewer bypasses many common DEB Windows errors. This is my personal favorite utility for this task, and I will be discussing it soon. A DEB file is a software package format used by Debian-based Linux distributions, such as Ubuntu. It's essentially an archive that contains the files needed to install a piece of software, along with metadata like the software's name, version, dependencies, and installation scripts. DEB files simplify software distribution and installation on Debian systems. DEB files are AR archive files that contain three main components: debian-binary, version number, control archive, control information and metadata, and data archive, actual program files. Package managers like apt and dpkg are used to install, remove, and manage DEB packages, resolving dependencies and ensuring system stability. Official support for DEB is primarily provided through dpkg from Debian project. Proper interaction and modification must be done through a dedicated utility for stability. Windows provides limited archive support, so proper access relies on decompression software. Your first move is to identify the possible openers. Right-click the DEB file and choose Open With. If dpkg is an option, select it. If not, choose another program. It's often trial and error. When your DEB file does not open, it is usually a small issue. The system isn't broken. The file is simply misunderstood. Here are the most common technical causes for this DEB error before we apply the universal fix. First, use Debian Utility. If on a Linux system, use the dpkg command line utility to install the package, sudo dpkg, ifilename.deb. Next, Use Archive Extractor. Since the file is an archive, use 7-zip to open the DB file and manually extract the contents. Finally, check dependencies. If installation fails, check for missing dependency packages required by the DEB file. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. Because the specialized software couldn't access your file, you need a dedicated universal solution. FileMagick is the one I always recommend. Visit filemagick.com for details. If the problem is solved, please show your support by liking and subscribing right now.